Hotep, how's everybody doing today? Hey, this is Michael Imhotep, founder of the African History Network, host of the African History Network show. I am in Baltimore. I'm at the 17th annual Baltimore Natural Hair Care Expo at the UMBC Event Center, the UMBC Event Center. So that's going on today, April 7th, Sunday, April 8th. I'm here at Baltimore at this expo. And I'm looking to see the Baltimore family come out today. I'm a vendor here. I'm doing 2 workshops today as well. Saturday, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m., Great African Women in History, the Mothers of Civilization. And then Sunday, 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. On the same topic. And we'll also talk about the film Black Panther as well, because Black Panther intersects into dealing with great African women in history, the mothers of civilization. All right. So how's everybody doing? We posted the information on the thread here. We're in Baltimore, Danielle, Baltimore, UMBC Event Center, 1000 Hilltop Circle. Yeah, 1000. So this is Malika Cooper, who organizes this, her and her team. Yeah, 1000 Hilltop Circle. It's in Baltimore. And we posted the information here. Go to naturalhaircareexpo.com, naturalhaircareexpo.com. So they have workshops all day long dealing with natural hair and natural hair care. All different types of styles, marketing your business, transitioning from weaves and straight hair to natural hair. And then actress Jennifer Lewis from Blackish. Okay, she's going to be here. She's speaking today. She's the keynote speaker. She's going to talk about her new book, the Godmother of Black Hollywood. And you see her on Blackish. You saw her in What's Love Got to Do With It. She played Tina Turner's mother in What's Love Got to Do With It. We saw her on A Different World as Dean Davenport. So veteran, legendary actress Jennifer Lewis will be here today in the house. How's everybody doing? Share this broadcast on your own Facebook page. Invite your friends to tune in also. And let's flip it around. You can take a look here at my vendor table here. So we've got my banner here, Great Black Women in History, okay, and AfricanHistoryNetwork.com. And then this is my vendor table. I'm all set up. So we got the Black Friday documentaries from director Rick Mathis, and I'm featured in those documentaries. We have Urban Kryptonite, dealing with holistic health for African Americans. Black Friday deals with practical strategies for economic empowerment for African Americans. We got a lot of my DVD presentations. Malcolm X 50 years later, why is he still relevant? We've got how Richard Nixon's war on drugs was a war on the African American community. Redistributing the pain, how African Americans historically fought back with economic boycotts. We got the Elementary Genocide series from director Raheem Shabazz, and I'm in the 3rd installment. This deals with fighting against the school-to-prison pipeline, taking control of African-American children's education. We got some of my well-known presentations, Understanding the Transatlantic Slave Trade, where they didn't teach you in school. Empire Strikes Black, the propaganda of the media. Of course, we have a bundle pack today, 6 of my DVD presentations for $50. We also have the bundle pack at our website, AfricanHistoryNetwork.com. This one right here, I just did this April 5th. I just did this Thursday, April 5th, before I left Detroit. This is Black Panther Analysis, African Cultural Influence, History, and Afrofuturism. So that's my lecture dealing with the film Black Panther. So I just did that. One Thursday before I left Detroit. Right. So how's everybody doing today? I just got in yesterday to Baltimore. Okay. So I'm here for a couple of days at the 17th annual Baltimore Natural Hair Care Expo. And let's look at the. They're going to have performances here today. So the cover chart is $20 admission. And that gets you into most of the workshops. That gets you into my workshop today also. If we look at, let's flip around. Let's look at this up here. You can see, let me see if you can see this, okay? A Mother's Day celebration Saturday, May 12th. Okay, that's something else. They just had the schedule up of the workshops. But you can see a schedule of the workshops at naturalhaircareexpo.com, naturalhaircareexpo.com. They have a schedule of the workshops there, all right? Okay, so hey, be sure to follow us on our Facebook fan page, the African History Network. In just a second, let me grab my other phone. Be sure to follow us on our Facebook fan page, the African History Network. So somebody asked, where are we? So we're at the, and let me post this information here. We're at the 1000 Hilltop Circle in Baltimore, Maryland. 1000 Hilltop Circle, Baltimore, Maryland. The 17th Annual Baltimore Natural Hair Care Expo. The 17th Annual Baltimore Natural Hair Care Expo. I just pinned the information there, okay? So check that out. And this is going on Saturday and Sunday. I'm usually here each year. I'm a workshop presenter, and I'm one of the vendors. So we have vendors setting up. Let me see. Let me share this right quick. Everybody share this broadcast on your Facebook page. Invite your friends to tune in also. I'll be checking in with you all probably throughout the day. Come check out my vendor booth, those in the Baltimore area. And if I see, I may do some interviews with some people today also. Last year, Bernadette Stannis, who was Thelma from Good Times, was here. I don't know if she's going to be here this year. I'm not sure. I don't think so. But she was here last year. I know her. I've interviewed her a few times. Let's see here. Okay, Monroe. Checking you out. Okay, you're in Bermuda. All right, good. Okay, so let's flip this. Let's share this on Facebook page. There we go. All right. Okay, so yeah, vendors are setting up right now. So this is 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. both days, Saturday and Sunday, April 7th and April 8th, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. both days. So we're getting close to that time to open up. How's everybody doing? We got Derek, Pasadena, California. We got Lila, Hotep to you. So everybody be sure to check out the articles here that we post on our fan page, the African History Network, each day. Follow us on our fan page if you don't already follow us as well, okay? And let's see who else we have here. Let me look at this here. Look at some more of your comments. All right, and I'll try to broadcast sometime, you know, when I do. So today my presentation is on great African women in history of the mothers of civilization, right? That presentation we have on DVD if you want to order it from AfricanHistoryNetwork.com, AfricanHistoryNetwork.com, right? So I deal with some well-known and not so well-known African women in our history, okay? And today in my presentation, in addition to, you know, women, in addition to Ma'at or Aset, Isis, Madam C.J. Walker, Queen Nzinga, you know, I'm going to talk about the Dora Milaje as well. And the Dora Milaje are in the film Black Panther. They're in Wakanda. And they're the African female warriors that protect the king, King T'Challa, and protect the nation of Wakanda, right? But it's believed that they're based upon the Mino or the Ahozi, the African female warriors from Dahomey, which is in modern-day Benin today among the Fo people, from the 17th century to the 19th century. These were fierce African female warriors that fought alongside the men. They fought in the Franco-Dahomean War of 1890, okay? And we have these type of African women in our history. So when we deal with that, it's not just about a Rosa Parks or a Betty Shabazz or something like this, but we have a long history of African females, warriors on different levels in our history, okay? Somebody said, let's see here. We got Ridian. All right. Trying to look at the comments here. Okay. So once again, I'm in Baltimore. This is Michael Imhotep, founder of the African History Network, host of the African History Network show. Hey, I'm in Baltimore Saturday and Sunday at the Baltimore Natural Hair Care Expo, 17th Annual Baltimore Natural Hair Care Expo. Let's flip up here because they're showing the schedule up here of workshops. Okay, you can't see, but they have workshops on all different subjects, dealing with natural hair care, starting businesses. Go to naturalhaircareexpo.com, naturalhaircareexpo.com for information about that. And I'm trying to bring up the comments again. What happened here? With the side view. It's crazy. You got, but yeah, vendors are setting up now. So this is 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. today and tomorrow. And I just got into Baltimore yesterday. Let me pull up my other phone because I can't see your comments now. Don't know what happened. All right. But hey, everybody, be sure to visit our website, AfricanHistoryNetwork.com, AfricanHistoryNetwork.com. A lot of information there. My DVD lectures are there. You can read the articles that I write. Read the articles that we post and the videos we post here on our Facebook fan page, the African History Network. Share this broadcast on your own Facebook page as well. Those in Baltimore, come on out today and tomorrow. Saturday, April 7th, Sunday, April 8th, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. both days. And this is not even coming up. I can't see it. All right, we got to get out of here. I'll check in with you all later. Okay, peace.